The first thing you have to do is draw a horizontal line as you've seen, and this is going to be my shoulder line and my starting point. So I'm just going to label it as my shoulder line. The next, I'm going to take your neck width measurement by placing the measuring tape around your neck, then divide by 4. So I'm going to place my neck width measurement right here, which is 3.5 inches with my measuring tape. The next, I'm going to find my neck depth, which is 4 inches. So you can determine how deep you want your neckline to be. If you want it 5 or 6, there's no specific measurement. So I'm going to mark my neck depth measurements. Then next, I'm going to connect my neck width to my neck depth measurement by curving like that, and this is my neckline that I have shaped. So next thing I'm going to do is find my shoulder measurement by placing the measuring tape from one tip of my shoulder to the other, then divide by 2. So my shoulder to shoulder measurement was 8 inches after dividing by 2. Then I'm going to go down by 1 inch on my shoulder measurement to make my shoulder slope, because our shoulders are a bit slanty. Then I'll connect that to the neck width, as you can see. Then next, I'm going to find my armhole measurement by placing the measuring tape around my armhole. Then I'm going to divide by 2. So my armhole measurement is 8 inches. I'm just going to mark it over there. Then I'll connect with a vertical straight line down. Next, I'm going to extend my line. Then next, I'm going to find my armhole midpoint, the midpoint here. This is going to help me to shape my armhole. Then right on the midpoint, I'm going to go inwards by 1/2 inch. Then I'll connect my tip of shoulder there to the 1/2 inch and shape my armhole. So I've just shaped my armhole. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So next, I'll find my shoulder to bust measurements by placing the measuring tape from the shoulder down to the bust. So my shoulder to bust is 10 inches. I'm going to draw a horizontal line across. Then I'll label this as my bust. Next, I'm going to find my shoulder to waist measurements by placing the measuring tape from my shoulder down to my waist. So my shoulder to waist is 15 inches. I'm going to draw a horizontal line and label it as my waist. Next, I'm going to find my shoulder to hip measurement by placing the measuring tape from my shoulder down to my hip. So my shoulder to hip is 24 inches. I'm going to draw a horizontal line and label it as my hip. Okay, so next I'm going to find the circumference of my bust, divide by 4 by placing the measuring tape around my bust, then divide by 4. So my bust circumference measurement is right there. The next, I'm going to find my waist circumference, divide by 4, and my hip circumference, divide by 4. So make sure you watch this video up to the end, because I'll be showing you the back and front bodies. So this is just the front. I'll show you how to make the back side. Next, I'm going to connect my points and shape my bodies. Okay, so next let's move on to the back side of the body. So the difference between the back and the front is that on the necklines, the front neckline and the armhole, on the neckline and the armhole. So I'm going to show you how to achieve your back neckline. So just go downwards on your shoulder line by 1.5 inches, then connect it to the neck width. So this is the back neckline that I have shaped. By going down by 1 inches on your shoulder line, then connect to the neck width. So I have my front and back neckline. Then on the armhole, we already have the back, so this is the back and this is the front. So when cutting out, this is the front neckline and this is the back neckline. So when cutting out, you're going to start by cutting the back side first. So move with your scissors up there, cut out the back, then later on cut out the front. So this is how you easily draft your bodice block front and back. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below.